Friends, brothers, sisters, we need to talk about the greatest trick ever played on the American people. It starts the day you're born. Your parents, in a vulnerable state, sign a birth certificate. What they weren't told, what was hidden from them, is that this wasn't just a record of your birth. It was the creation of a corporate fiction, a legal entity in all capital letters, a stramonius homo, a straw man. This straw man is property of the state. And from that moment, the state doesn't see you, the living, breathing, sovereign human being. It sees that corporate fiction. It tricks you into identifying with it every time you use a driver's license, a social security number, or get a traffic ticket. You are being tricked into acting as the representative for this debtor entity you never consented to create. Why do they do this? Because they have no right to soil. The Supreme Court itself, in Pollard v. Hagan, stated clearly that the government never held any right of soil. The land belongs to us, the people, by endowment of our Creator. The state is merely a trustee. But since they have no legitimate authority over you or the land under common law, they had to create a trap. They created this corporate straw man to lure you into their commercial maritime jurisdiction, the law of the sea, not the law of the land. This is why you get a ticket with no victim, no prosecutor's signature, and are forced into an administrative court with no jury. The judge acts as prosecutor, judge, and jury. This is not a court of justice. It is a commercial collection agency for the state corporation, and you are the product. This is not just fraud, it is an international crime. By imposing maritime law on the land, they have violated the very Treaty of Paris that recognized us as a free and sovereign nation. They have violated international human rights covenants that guarantee a fair trial. They have committed crimes against humanity by systematically persecuting a population, us, through a fraudulent legal system designed to enslave and plunder. But we are not slaves. We are the descendants of revolutionaries. We are the sovereign people. Our power does not come from a government document. It comes from our Creator, and it is affirmed in the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. They only have power because we consent. It is time to withdraw our consent. It is time to recognize the fraud, to understand that we are not the name on the birth certificate, and to stand up as the living men and women we are. They are a corporation. We are the sovereigns. It is time we started acting like it. It is time to take back our freedom. Join us, learn the truth, and let's take our country back.